Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to view GitHub commit history. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open your browser and go to GitHub's official website. Here, log into your account. On the home page, locate the repository whose commit history you want to view. Click on the repository name to open it. Inside the repository, you'll see several tabs like Code, Issues, Pull Requests, and Commits. Select the Commits tab to view all the changes made to that project over time. Here, GitHub will display a chronological list of commits. Each entry will show the commit message, a short summary of what was changed, the author's name, and the timestamp indicating when the change was made. This section acts like a project timeline, allowing you to see how the code has evolved. If you click on a specific commit, you can view the exact lines of code that were added, modified, or removed. And that's it. So that is how you can view GitHub commit history. So that's all for this video. Thanks.